Hey everyone. So does your dishwasher not get hot? Not sure what the issue is? Well, it could be your heating element. How do you test it? Well, I want to show you how to do it. So this is what one example of a heating element looks like, and they're pretty much all the same. They might be a little bigger, a little smaller, but they're all basically looks like this. Now obviously I have this outside the machine, but you could do this test while the element is hooked up to the machine. You don't have to actually uninstall it. So I'm going to actually test this one out now. So normally in the machine, when you open the door, the heating element is on the bottom, underneath the spray arm. So it's going to sit like this. Now from underneath the machine, you have these heating elements, and this is kind of, this goes through the base of the dishwasher, and then this is how it secures to the bottom of the dishwasher. So what our goal is we want to attach it, our testers, to these outlets here. So I'm going to take these off now. So you might not have to take these off, but you just want to have this exposed because this is what we got to test our wire to. So with these exposed, you have to get a kind of a hot wire like this. Now you can go reference my other video and I could show you how to make something similar to this, but you will need something to test, and this is the wire we're going to use. And basically it's just an extension cord with a couple connectors on it that we're going to connect to the heating element connectors. So what I'll do is I'm going to hook up one end to here and another to here. Okay. And I always use a surge protector. So the surge protector is off right now. Now I'm just going to plug this in. Now normally I would test this on concrete because this gets super hot. I mean real hot if it works. So I'm just putting this on metal now so it doesn't conduct onto the wood here. But normally I would do this on a concrete surface. And actually I'm going to get this wire off because I do not want this to burn. Okay. So we're going to turn this on, and nothing's going to, there's no magic here. What happens is it just heats up. So you want to give this a minute or two, and you'll start to feel it to get hot. Actually, I feel it instantaneously. So it's already getting hot. I don't want to let this go too long because, like I said, it gets red hot. So okay. It's hot already, and I see smoke coming out of it. So I know this works. If you put this on and it was not getting hot at all, obviously your heating element is not good. So I am going to unhook that now. And I would let this cool off for a little bit. Do not touch it. It gets, like I said, super hot. Just let it cool off for a while before you even go near it. If it's in your machine, you don't have to worry. It's safe in the machine. So that is how you test your heating element. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button, and thank you.